What if I told you your joint and knee pain is not just because of age? It's because of what you eat every single day. And right now, there are foods sitting in your kitchen that can either destroy your joints or slowly repair them. But here's the scary part. Most people are eating the exact foods that make their pain worse without even realizing it. And number 6 is something millions of people eat daily, thinking it's healthy. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to reduce pain naturally. And if you care about your health, subscribe now, because your future self will thank you. Have you ever stood up and felt that sharp pain in your knee? Or tried to walk and your joints felt stiff, tight, almost locked? You're not alone. Millions of people deal with this every single day. And most people think, I'm just getting older. But that's not true, because joint pain isn't just about age, it's inflammation. And inflammation is heavily controlled by what you eat. Today, we're going to break down 7 simple foods that can reduce inflammation, support your joints, and help relieve pain naturally. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one is something your joints cannot survive without. Number 1. Turmeric. This golden spice has been used for centuries, and now science confirms why. It contains a compound called curcumin, which helps fight inflammation at its root. In fact, some studies suggest it works almost like pain medication, but without the harmful side effects. But here's where most people get it wrong. Your body doesn't absorb turmeric properly on its own. So if you're just adding it to food, you're missing most of the benefit. The solution? Combine it with black pepper. That simple combination can dramatically improve absorption and make it far more effective. And wait until you hear what number 3 does. Number 2. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats don't just reduce inflammation, they actually help protect your joints from further damage. Over time, your joints naturally wear down and cartilage begins to break. That's when the pain starts to increase. But omega-3 helps slow that process down. People who regularly consume these healthy fats often notice less stiffness, better movement, and reduced pain over time. Imagine waking up and your knees feel lighter, less tight, easier to move. But here's where it gets interesting. Number 3. Cherries. Yes, something as simple as cherries. They are packed with powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation quickly. Some people dealing with joint pain or arthritis report noticeable relief in just a few days. And here's why. Cherries help reduce uric acid levels in the body, and high uric acid is one of the hidden causes of joint pain. So if your pain comes and goes or suddenly gets worse, this could be exactly what your body needs. And we're just getting started. Number 4. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and ugu. These are some of the most powerful foods for joint protection. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce damage inside your body. Every day, your body experiences oxidative stress, and over time, this stress slowly damages your joints. But leafy greens help fight that damage. They protect your joints, support bone health, and reduce inflammation naturally. Simple foods, powerful results. But the next one is something most people already eat and don't even realize how helpful it is. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds. They may seem small, but they are packed with nutrients your joints need. They contain healthy fats, magnesium, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve joint movement. They also support joint lubrication, which helps reduce stiffness, so your joints move more smoothly with less pain. A small daily habit that can make a big difference over time. But now we're getting into something most people completely ignore. Number 6. Garlic. It's not just for flavor. Garlic contains natural compounds that help slow down cartilage damage, and cartilage is what protects your joints. When it breaks down, pain increases, but garlic helps preserve it. That means less wear and tear and better joint function over time. And here's the truth. Many people eat foods that damage their joints every day, but ignore foods like this that can actually protect them. Now, the final one, and this one is absolutely essential. Number 7. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These are rich in vitamin C. Your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen, and collagen is what keeps your joints strong, flexible, and pain-free. Without enough collagen, your joints begin to weaken, movement becomes harder, and pain increases. That's why citrus fruits are so important. They help your body rebuild and maintain healthy joints from the inside out. Joint pain doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly from daily habits. But the good news is you can change that. Start with what you eat, stay consistent, and your body will respond. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it, because you never know who's silently dealing with pain. And don't forget to subscribe, because your health is your greatest asset. Protect it.